Hi dolls, welcome to my channel once again. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So this is a look I created for the NYX Face Awards competition. So this is the first round. I hope and pray that I at least make it to the top 20 at least. So yeah, I decided to enter this competition and this is the look I came up with. So if you're interested in seeing it, please continue watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you some of the products that I'll be using because the competition does not allow me to show any products other than NYX. So you may use similar things that you have, or I don't know guys, but this is for the purpose of the competition. And I hope you enjoy the video and I hope my look comes out perfect. So I did my eyebrows off camera and I'll go in with a red eyeshadow. So I'll just put that on my above my crease. So this in a way will be my transition shade. And then to make this color more darker, I'll go in with a maroon eyeshadow, and then from there I'll go in with a black eyeshadow just slightly above the crease. We're going to be doing a cut crease. Take a concealer, liquid concealer, and then I'll be cutting my crease. Okay, so I'm taking a red shimmerish, it's actually maroon, a maroon shimmery eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply that on my crease. So I'm not setting my concealer for the cut crease because I've learned that it actually also sticks better. Eyeshadow sticks better on the concealer itself. So sometimes I don't set it. Apply as much as I can of that. I just want it to pop. So using a flat brush, I take a flat brush and then I'm gonna apply a glitter on my lid. So it's gonna be a hollow, half cut crease sort of vibe on my eye. So in the middle of my eyelid, I'll just apply a little bit of that. And then I'll be using this NYX this is the glitter I'll be using from NYX in the color 081. Then apply it on. So this glue, I think well, primer or glue, whatever you want to call it, I feel like it dries quickly. So it's a bronzy glitter. And then I'll do the same on the other side. So this is how it looks after my glitter application. And then from there, I will go in with the black again. So I basically used 3 brushes for my eyes so far. I'm going to use the same brush that I started with, the same blending brush, and then I'll just smoke out the outer corner on top of the glitter. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do a winged eye. In with my NYX pore filler. Two foundations because this one is too dark and then this one is too light, so I'll be mixing the two. This one is in coca and then this one is nutmeg, so I'll mix the two to get my perfect shade. I hope it works out perfect. After blending my foundation, I'll be cream contouring. And then to highlight, and then I'm going to use loose powder to set. So after I've applied my lashes, I'm going to dust off the setting powder. So this is to blend my natural lashes with the strip ones. These are so long. And then apply some on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go in with a black pencil on my waterline. I'm gonna smooth that out a little. Then taking a fluffy flat brush, I'm going to take that and go in with the maroon color that I used as my transition and apply it on the bottom. A holy grail setting spray NYX dewy finish. So I'm going to drench that on my face, and I'm running out, so I've got to buy another bottle. Okay, and then from there I'm going to highlight my face
with a gold highlighter. And upon my cheeks, so just pat that first before I blend it out. A little on the bridge of my nose, and then taking a small fluffy brush, I'm just gonna apply that on my brow bone. Okay, and then I'm gonna line my lips with a maroon lip liner. I'll be using this NYX cream lip palette. Oh, it's the Plums, so it has dark colors. I'll be using I'll go in with this one. So this is my look. I'm just gonna go sort out my hair and then come back. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and please share the video, please, please, please. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you again next time.